Want to show two images on the screen at the same time? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a picture-in-picture or PIP overlay in CapCut Mobile. Now, let's get started. Step number 1 is to open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Import the photo that will serve as your background and add it to the timeline. This will be the base layer for your edit. Second step is add a picture-in-picture overlay. Tap Overlay at the bottom of the screen, then select Add Overlay. Choose the photo that you want to place on the top of your main clip. Once imported, it will appear as a separate layer on the timeline. Step number 3 is to resize and position the overlay. Tap the overlay clip and use 2 fingers to resize it. Drag it to any corner or position on the screen where it won't block the main content. You can also rotate the overlay or pinch it to make it larger or smaller until it fits your design. Lastly, make your picture-in-picture look even better by adding animations, borders, shadows, or adjusting the opacity. And that's how you create picture-in-picture overlay in CapCut Mobile. With just simple steps, you can display multiple visuals in one frame. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless us all.